Hello there, P3 students! Welcome back to our science class with Ms. Ida. Are you ready to learn something new today? Let's start! We are now on Chapter 9, Lesson 2, Fossils. Our learning aim is to explain that fossils are impressions or remains of things that were once alive. For our lesson trigger questions, we have the following. What do these pictures show? What can you tell from them? How are they different from one another? Take your time to answer, children, and don't forget to send your answers in the Google Classroom. For our thinking camp, how do scientists know what dinosaurs look like? Let's try to find out. You have learned in Chapter 1 that animals and plants are living things. Scientists often find remains or traces of animals or plants that lived long ago. These remains or traces are known as fossils. Most fossils are formed when remains of animals or plants are buried under many layers of small rocks, sand, and mud. Water then seeps in between the rocks and turns the remains to stone. It takes a very long time for fossils to form. So we have here two examples, a fossil of a dinosaur, a fossil of a plant. Are you familiar with these two, children? Moving on, some fossils are just impressions. For example, when we walk on mud, sand, or snow, we leave our footprints on it. Footprints are impressions of our feet. Some animals leave prints on soft soil or sand. Over time, the soil becomes hard like rock. The impression of the animal is then saved as a fossil. So we have here an example, a fossil showing the footprint of a dinosaur. Why do scientists study fossils? Scientists study fossils to learn about animals or plants that lived millions of years ago. Even though animals such as dinosaurs are extinct, fossils can help scientists find out how they looked, what they ate, and how they moved. Sometimes small animals like insects get trapped in a substance released by trees called resin. The resin hardens over time. People get to learn about such animals many years later when these fossils are found. So we have here an example, a fossil of a dragonfly trapped in hardened resin. And that ends our video lesson for today. Thanks for watching. See you in our class. Take care, everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.